Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I teach you Chinese grammar in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to look at a simple sentence and analyze it chunk by chunk. The sentence is, 我准备好了. This sentence has three chunks, 我准备好 and 了. Let's see what each of them means and how they work together. The first chunk is 我, which means I or me. This is a personal pronoun that indicates the speaker or the subject of the sentence. Nothing too complicated here. The second chunk is 准备好, which means to be ready or to prepare well. This is a verb phrase that consists of two parts, 准备 and 好. The first part, 准备, means to prepare or to get ready. The second part, 好, is an adverb that modifies the verb and adds the meaning of well or completely. So together, 准备好 means to prepare well or to be completely ready. The third chunk is 了, which is a grammatical particle that has many functions in Chinese. In this sentence, 了 is used to express a change of state or situation, such as in 我饿了, I'm hungry, or 我回家了, I'm home. So putting all the chunks together, we get the meaning of the sentence, 我准备好了, which translates to I'm ready or I've prepared well. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new and useful about Chinese grammar. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning Chinese. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and easy Chinese grammar lessons. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.